up. Oh, up. Hello and welcome back to Bumblebee Bistro. So I thought I might harvest my radishes. They're showing signs that they are ready to come out, and I'll go through each of those signs with you. Again, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with them because I thought I planted something on radishes, but I thought I might pickle them. But I'm going to have to store them for a couple of days, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. Right, let me talk you through the signs and let's get these radishes out. There better be something under the soil. I know there's something, but just how good it is, I don't know. Let's have a look. So what we have here are radishes. This was the mystery plant that we weren't quite sure what we'd grow in, but it turns out it's radishes. So if you look, the leaves are, they're very tall, so they're about ready to come out. The second sign is, can you see that in there? Right in there, can you see the red? No, you can't, can you? See, can you see that red poking up in there? Let me get you in close. So we've got little red poking up out of the soil, right in there, in most of them actually. So let's see what we've got. Because if we leave these in too long, they are going to start tasting pretty awful. There's a small one there, we don't need to harvest that. Let's get our first one out. So you just grab it at the base and pull up. Oh, he's tiny. He's tiny. See, I didn't bring a board out when I sat there. Another one. Oh, that's better. Look at that. He's beautiful. Oh, baby. Look. Gorgeous. Oh, something odd happened with that one. I think he thought he was French breakfast. That's okay, we'll still use them. This is going to be a good one. They are so beautiful. So another one that's gone a bit. Why I'm getting small ones is probably because I planted them too close together. That one in there. See, those two were close together. You want to see the sides of them. Some good ones. See some beetroot in there. Ooh, lovely. It's a tiny one. Again, that one thought he was French breakfast. Lovely. It's about the size of a golf ball. Lovely. Not quite sure what that one thought it was doing. Right, I know we have some more around. I'll show you what I've got so far. Quite nice. So I'll just go ahead and harvest these all, and then I'll come back to you whenever I've got them all done. So I think you'll agree that's not too shabby for our first harvest of the year. So I want to store these for a couple of days, so I can't leave the leaves on. So I'm just going to chop a wee bit above that, and that can go to the compost heap. I'm not going to wash it. I'm not going to clean that dirt off. I'm not going to touch that root. I'm just going to pop it into my wee bowl, and I'll show you what I've got afterwards. So it's only like about an inch, I would say. Of course, I had ones that didn't do much at all, really. Probably planted too close to the other ones, maybe. So I've got a load of this. That's the tops of the radishes. So I'm going to pop that into the compost heap. Time for the sunflower challenge. Okay, so it is Monday the 13th of May, and I completely forgot to take a look at the sunflower seeds yesterday. And so that's what we're going to do now. But in complete contrast to the past 3 days, it is buckling down again. Let me show you. It is raining cats and dogs, and we've got to go in there. The problem with that is it's jam packed with everything, but let's go. We can do it. Take a look at the pretty flowers. While I unzip this. Huh. Everything. Come on. Come on, you rascal. Right. Can I get in here? So I rescued everything today. Ooh. My baskets. See? Hey. Right. Don't get distracted, Anne. How am I going to get over here? If I stand on that bed, my sister will scream. Sorry. She would, you know. She'd scream all the way from up the road. Right. Can I get over? Can I get over without standing on anything? Kind of there, kind of there, kind of there. Right. Sunflower seed time. Ta-da. Looking pretty good. They're about an inch. That one's looking a little leggy, but I'm not too worried. Yeah, both of them. Let's pop that in there. That's the other one. Yeah, so they're about an inch tall. Not quite ready to go out yet. But we are getting there. Not too shabby. The lavender. Why is that? Try to get out. Don't knock anything over. Don't stand in any beds. Ooh. Right. It's beautiful, isn't it? I don't know why that heads. Sorry, I'm getting distracted, but that's how it is. Oh, right. He's peering towards the sun. What there is of it. Yeah, I just brought them in from outside, and the nasturtiums are coming on well.